if you notice, there's no light on there. That there used to be a green light there, and I looked at this other smoke alarms, and I found the right breaker in the electrical panel. And the funny thing is, lots of times the breaker's not going to tell you a whole lot. Now I made the determination it was this one down here. And when you look at all this, usually you have a panel schedule over here, and that says guest room. It doesn't say anything about smoke alarms or anything like that. And I would have thought that would have been on a light circuit or something like that. I did notice it's on a 15 amp circuit. You know what? I think I can. Well, let's see. Could I? That's probably the safest way for me to do it. I could set up the ladder a different way, but I think I'm going to move the video camera over here. Okay. And first things first, I'm just going to get up there and remove this. Now, all smoke alarms are not created equal. You're going to have to find out how to do yours. This one's got a little nib on the side that you have to kind of push down and notice that thing. You push down on that to allow yourself. Let's see here. I'm pretty sure. Oh man, you know, it looks like that thing. It almost looks like it. Oh, look at that! It snapped off. A little thing snapped off, and this thing. Okay, here we go. I loosen that up. That is supposed to be so you depress it, then you can loosen this up. And more times than not, you unscrew it. Okay, and I'm gonna have to be careful with this. There's a little fitting on the back of here that you gotta kind of pull off. And I should get my. I think I'm gonna grab my my pliers. Okay, I like to do that. I wasn't ready for my project, was I? I got my pliers here somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling, and I'm gonna grab the little bracket or the little thing here. That way I can kind of tweak it back and forth. Oh, this one I gotta pinch the sides in. That's what was happening. This one you pinch the sides, and then that allows that to come out, okay? Well, that's, like I say, not all smoke alarms are installed the same. You just have to kind of look at yours and determine how it comes out, okay? This one happens to be the hardwired one. I knew it was hardwired because I was the one to install it to replace the old ones years ago, and now I can undo. I'm just undoing the sides, these screws. This thing drops down, and now you swivel that a little bit, and you should be able to pop that off without undoing the screws all the way. Okay, and I still like to be careful. I don't think there's another circuit in here, but I'm still going to be kind of careful, man. Oh, dabbity nabbit. Dabbity nabbit. Dabbity 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 nabbit. Ah.